We about to turn up for Champagne Sundays. Welcome to Champagne Sundays. On today's episode, we're going to be making one of the coolest drinks that I've ever seen. I don't know about you, but one of the coolest drinks that I've ever seen. So stay tuned. Let's turn up and let's drink to Champagne Sundays. Cheers. Ingredients today is going to be some agave and our secret weapon, some fancy glitter, and of course our champs. So let's get started. First, we're going to take the agave, we're going to pour that onto our paper plate, and we're going to take our pink sprinkles and pour that on as well. Then we're going to take our glass and dip it into the agave and then dip it right into the sprinkles. So now we have a cute little pink rim. We're going to take our champs, tilt our glass of course, and pour. Then the best part is we're going to take our little fancy glitter that we have and we're going to pour it right into the champagne and watch this magic happen. I don't think you're ready. It looks like a cool sparkly glittery drink that is super awesome for everyone. And to top it off, let's put in our rock candy because we're bougie. And cheers. That's what it is. So, cheers to Champagne Sunday. So, here is my little galactic drinky drink. Mmm.